How to ban someone on TikTok. So if you want to ban someone on TikTok, it is actually quite not very simple, but there are a couple of key steps and measures that we can follow. First of all, you cannot ban someone because of a personal grudge with that person, because banning is not up to you but up to TikTok. But if you find a certain profile that violates the terms and conditions of TikTok and you believe that fully, right? So maybe it is promoting illegal content or drugs or nudity or violence or anything or abuse or bullying, then in that case, that particular content violates the TikTok terms and policies. Now what we can do is now we can take measures to get that account banned. So we can go to that person's profile. By the way, I'm just choosing a random profile for the video, nothing against the person, just a disclaimer. And then what you want to do is tap on the little arrow icon on the top right hand side, and when you've done that, at the bottom left you can find the option called report. So you can just tap the report option there. Now when we go to report, we can choose to report the account or report the content depending on whatever else. So if you wish to report the account, you can tap on the report account button. Now what we can do is, the maximum we can do is report that account. And if TikTok believes that this particular account violates the terms and policies, they will take actions against that account. So banning it is not up to us. The maximum thing, as I said, we can do is we can just report that account. Now to make this process easier, if you have got a number of followers, you can simply ask them to mass report the account. When a profile gets mass report within a certain account, then what happens is you'll be able to go ahead and then find them. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then get someone banned on TikTok. But again, getting banned is up to TikTok themselves. The maximum thing is we can report it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.